All right, US market open, Nasdaq. Let's see how this goes. My daily bias is to the downside.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones
God
who
damn.
heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Okay, so we're targeting the Asia lows here, which is not very far away. I want to see what happens.
My eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own.
So far for the day, I'm at 5% profit coming out of the EU session.
Profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me.
It's maybe possible that we don't take the Asia lows, but rather
All around my room,
take some liquidity to the downside and maybe come into this zone
alright. Hush.
and then go up. Yeah, but for now looks unlikely. What I'm thinking is similar to the DAX EU session. We took the Asia lows, then we found support below it and moved very nicely up,
Taste your content, hold your
where I capitalized.
attention. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is the one-way gate to hell. I want to taste consumption. Eat faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Just wanna be carefree lately, yeah. Just picking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the 40 clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on days.
Damn. Almost looks like I was late to the party here because right at the opening we had two consecutive range bar candles to the downside, which was a good sell signal with a 1 to 5 risk to reward. But now we're getting the opposite signal. Perhaps I should wait. Okay, but in here I see that we have divergence, we have lower lows, higher highs on the stochastic, especially on the 1 minute. We did tap into the level here. It's moving just the way DAX did in the morning, where I got chopped up because I was too impatient. So let's be patient on this one. Okay. Let's see if this continuation is strong or not. Perhaps the market wants to do what it did yesterday and just keep selling off the entire morning and afternoon.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to
Love the song.
fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
So on this pullback, we actually had a good signal right here, these two, but that's, yeah, maybe it wouldn't have been stopped out. So that would have been around 1 to 2. I'm still waiting to see if we react to this level from early morning. Another divergence here. We have a confluence, I think. Yeah, okay, so 1 minute divergence, but this is not a very reliable signal. We are still here in a downtrend, so let's see if we break this. Perhaps I can think of buying. So we either go close above here and reject immediately, or we just shoot up.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light
Taking this sell,
shine through.
2 consecutive range bar candles to the downside. It's a risky bet. Risky bet, but let's see how far this goes. Perhaps 1 to 1, 1 to 2 is gonna be sufficient. If we print another divergence, then I'm 100% out. Oh my god. Yeah, looks like this is probably gonna be the turning point. So let's wait out and see what happens. In the meanwhile, if I get 2 consecutive bearish candles, I'm gonna add to the position. There we go. We're now printing divergence. I think we're gonna just continue to the downside. First position is 1 to 2 hit, so let's move to break even. Basically, just as I thought, broke the trend line here and immediately rejected that breakout. Let's see how far the continuation goes. In terms of big levels, I'm expecting somewhere here, so we can have 1 to 4 on the second position. Okay, so stopped out for -1 and break even. So yeah, I probably should have respected the lower lows here. Currently we're getting a very nice buy signal. No divergence there, by the way. Except for this here. Five minutes. Again, a sell signal. Let's try. So far we're ranging down from the open. So I'm more inclined to sell until we see change. Another signal printed. Moving the stop loss to break even for the first position. Lows of the channel. I think I'm gonna respect those this time and take some profit. So 1 to 3 basically. Although we keep printing lower lows. But I'm good with that. I recovered the first loss and then made more on top of that, so it's fine. Of course, the lesson here is leave a runner, but we're playing it safe after the EU session drawdown that I had. Okay, so we've hit this trend line. For now, I think I can be patient. So we're at the lows of the day. We broke the Asia session lows, continuing strong. I'm not expecting a big retracement here, but it's possible. Also, judging by this low and the low we're printing right now, there could be a big divergence, meaning that we can have actually a reciprocal reaction to the upside here. So we can shoot to 1 to 10, perhaps.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed. Life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero?
Judging by the market slowing down here at this level, I think it may be respected. So if I see sufficient evidence, I'm gonna take a buy, so counter trend. Although I'm not a fan of it.
Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Need.
Another sell signal printed. Positioned opened. I'm gonna shoot for a 1 to 1 or 1 to 2, depending on how volatile the movement downward is. 1 to 2 hit, and that's it.
Can I be your superhero?
Damn. Imagine if I started selling right here at the first signal. That would have been a 1 to 15, let's say. Just easily holding the position. No drawdown.
Step by step, the clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
That is a very weak market today. What is this? So Nasdaq is down 1% for the day, which is not a lot, but it's a very bearish mood in here.
Listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan.
I would have hit 1 to 5 if I held the last position.
Trying to protect your soul. We are heroes.
We have a buy signal.
We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly.
Usually I wouldn't take the counter trend trade here, but I feel like the market is overextended a bit and not showing exactly the it's not showing the panic selling, so perhaps the level can be respected. Okay, we have another sell signal. Closed out of the counter trend buy position. This was useless. I'm going to be cautious here and try to get 1 to 2, maybe 1 to 3.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
1 to 2. Covers my previous loss. And we book another profit.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
I kind of want to get another win
We'll go.
just to round out the balance there.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
So far we are at 10% profit for the day, almost 11. So that is good for the US session alone. It's minus 20. So we have about 5% just the US session alone. That's good. We have a buy signal.
Along the way, melodies we haven't played.
God, I think I was late here. Let's see, let's just try for a 1-to-1.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
Yeah, this was a bad idea.
We'll go
Cell signal again.
through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
Okay, this is invalidated very quickly. If we print another bullish, I'll just buy. Okay, so the market's not letting off the gas, selling off again. I'm gonna give it a couple of minutes and I'm gonna close.
fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow.
Okay, we're getting a buy signal. I'm not liking the choppiness here. We're starting to get divergence. Fuck it, I'm gonna buy. I have enough profit for the day, so it's okay to risk on a counter trend. Let's go. Last 1 to 5 and we go home. And closed out. Yeah, that is why you don't go counter trend on bearish days. I still feel like this is a fake out.
Here we go.
Sell signal again. Yep, the market's not having it down, so we're switching to bullish bias for the moment. I think this is gonna be the hourly correction, so I can allow a higher take profit. So 1 to 14.
Invincible.
Printed another buy signal. Closed out of the position, printed a sell signal here. I think I'm over trading this a bit, so let's see what happens. Things that are happening very quickly around here. Printed another buy. There we go. So I have here 1 to 9 and 1 to 14. Highly doubt this happens, but in case the market decides to just jump the gun on this correction here. Either way, I'm gonna be good with 1 to 5 on both trades. Closed out of the positions, sell printed. Oh, this is not good. We're chopping. And there we go, stopped out again, printed another sell. Moving strongly down, opening another sell position. Possibly trying to break these lows. After we gathered some liquidity here, another signal. Third position in. Damn. looking like a very strong hour here. And by strong I mean very weak market. Yeah, I think it's really possible that we hit another 100 points down. So my stops are at 9 and 8 times the R, the risk. Gonna protect the first position. Okay, at this point I'm happy with the result. We managed to make 15% today, so $150. 5 from the EU session and 10 from the US session. So, pretty good. Have a nice day, enjoy.